Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Praveen Giri Goswami and welcome back to my another video. So first of all, thank you so much for being here. Hoping everybody is doing well in your life. If I talk about me, so I am also doing well, you can see. So if you are new here on this channel, so don't forget like, share and subscribe, because in this channel you learn about it English very simple and easy way. Okay, and one more thing, don't skip the video, because you skip the video you miss the important things. Okay, so before any further, let's get jump into the video because the time is very precious. Okay, so let's begin. You know what, guys, most of the learners wants to learn English. Most of the learners wanted to become a fluent speaker, but they say I'm not able to speak. They can't speak English. And I know you are also facing this problem. You are not able to speak. You understand English very much, okay, but you are not able to speak. Okay, and I'm also faced this type of problem a lot, because when I was a beginner, so I understand better. So in this video you fix it your problem. Okay, so this video I divided in many parts because you understand more than better. So let's get jump into the video. Let's talk about the problems. Firstly, we just understand what is the biggest problem. People can't speak English. Okay, so why people can't speak English? You know what, guys, many reasons, but the biggest reason is fear. Most of the learners think about the fear. They speak English, but they afraid of making mistakes. They think about the people laugh at me, people judge me. So don't be think about the people. You are learning. Okay, so mistakes is a part of learning. So don't be afraid. Yeah, I remember when I was a beginner, I made many mistakes. If I talk about native speaker sometimes make mistakes. Okay, so don't be think about the mistakes. You are learning, so focus on your goal. Guys, reason number two, no practice. Most of the learners do everything but not speak English. Because you don't speak English, you don't practice it, your English is never improved. Okay, so firstly, you just understand, you read in English, you watch in English YouTube videos, but you can't speak because the reason is you are not practicing speaking. Okay, so do this daily. You practice at least 10 to 15 minutes, enough, but you practice speaking. Okay, it's a very important. So reason number three is people think in their mother tongue. This is also biggest problem, biggest reason people can't speak. They are not able to speak because the reason is they think in their mother tongue and then translate into English. So this process is slow and confusing. Okay, so if you are also make these mistakes, so stop. Directly think in English. Think in English, simple English and powerful English. Guys, you heard about that speaking English course? You heard about that spoken English course? So what is spoken English course? Firstly, we just understand. Okay, spoken English course means you learn about it English words, English pronunciation, English vocabularies, English phrases, and grammar. You learn about it all the things. This is all things included in a spoken English course. And most of the learners bought a spoken English course because they want to learn English. So in this video, I will guide you like a course. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, you can learn about basic rule of speaking English. So rule number one is very simple. You can start simple English. Do not speak advanced English. For example, I want to communicate with fluent speaker. I want to speak English. This is right. You can speak English, simple word, simple sentence, always better. Okay, so don't be tried to make big sentence. Start with small sentence because you are a beginner right now. Rule number two is speak slowly. Speaking slowly is better than speaking wrong. Okay, so you just start speak slowly. Don't be afraid, don't be shy. Speak slowly because you start speak slowly, you pronounce a word for perfectly. Okay, so speak slowly. Most of the peoples asked me and told me we don't have a confidence. That's why we are not able to speak. We can't speak English. So this is right. Confidence is very important. Confidence is very important than perfection. You make mistakes. You are not able to speak. You are, if you speak wrong, but you have a confidence, so people understand you. Okay, you don't feel shy, don't feel nervous. You are learning. Okay, and you build your confidence. Stand in front of the mirror and use this technique, and you can use shadowing method, and you can use CV app because CV app provide free 30 minutes talk times, and you don't need a perfect English partner. Speak about your days, your plans, talk to yourself. This is very effective. It's a simple but very effective. Okay, and this is very easy. You are also applied. If you practice a little every single day, you will see a result. I'm sure your English will improve. Okay, so I think we should end the video because I have go somewhere. So I hope you like this video, and if you found this video a little bit informative for you, so don't forget like, share and subscribe. Your one like, share and subscribe really motivate me to create more video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.